everybody. Been a little while since I've done a vid. I've been feeling the love, if I'm really honest. But anyway, I thought it was about time I did something. So I have been doing some videos of all bits and pieces that I've been doing over the last few weeks. So I thought what I'd do is a bit of a montage mash, where I can showcase bits and pieces I've been doing, like my Bowie made from Damascus, all that kind of stuff. So I'll do a little video, I'll put it up, and hopefully you'll find it a little bit entertaining. And then I'll get my butt back in the gear and I'll start making some videos again properly. So thanks for joining me, guys. Consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell. I'm doing a giveaway at 500 subs, so make sure that you do subscribe. Bye. Cut it. Look at that. So that aluminium I cast, and I wanted it to be that shape. I wanted it to have lots of holes and crevices, and as I don't know if you can make out the texture. And that's going to go onto knife scales. That. And if you're not sure what that is, check out my YouTube, Exmoor Blades. Bye. Damascus Bowie, whatever you want to call it. Thinking about doing something like that, so I've done like a makeup with polystyrene handle. Right. Ooh. And that, I'm probably going to cast that, probably in aluminium I think, because I reckon it would just look cool. Let me know what you think. Yesterday's castings didn't really come out very well. Not happy with it. So we're doing a bit of an Exmoor bodge as usual. A little battery charger, a bit of Canthil wire. Is it warming up? Yes. Oh, there we go. So I'm going to get some nicer pieces, some smoother pieces, and retry the casting again. So keep watching. Little update. Didn't work again properly. We had a bit of a cold shut problem, but we're getting there. It's a proper guard. So I know what I've got to do. And hopefully the next one will be spot on. Latest attempt, guys. Cleaned it up a bit. We're nearly there. But it was just that end bit. I was toying with the idea of brazing that, but I'm going to have another go. I think I know what it is. I spoke to my old boss on the foundry yesterday. Added a bit more flux, which seemed to make it a lot better. And I just think I need to get it hotter. I think the metal's cooling too quickly before it gets to that end. And a bigger head. So I'll sort it, but I think it's important to recognise your failures as well as your successes, isn't it? This is a very, I haven't even finished flattening the blade yet, but I couldn't resist it. Bowie! That's going to be sweet. You see the pank? Yeah, look at that. Oh, it's just same that guard, isn't it? I could almost get away with it though, couldn't I? Bowie! everybody.